Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Jeff, and today we're gonna install this. It's a LP Adventure skid plate, and we're gonna install on this Rav4, and it's gonna take like 30 minutes or less to install it. It's pretty easy, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. So let's install this. Yeah! So based on the instruction, we're gonna unbolt those wheels. So it's better, I'm gonna jack it anyway, so I can have access underneath and access on this side, on the left side. So yeah, let me get a jack and jack it up. Well, let me just loosen the lug nut first before I lift the car up. So once I jack it up, I'm just gonna remove the wheels anyway. So everything's gonna be ready before I go under the car. So yeah. So installation of this skid plate is pretty easy. It has like 4 bolts for it, connected to the frame. I think connected to the frame. So yeah. So once we remove the wheels, this is gonna be the access point for the left side here. This is pretty much the only thing you're gonna remove. So yeah, it's a 10mm bolt. So we're gonna remove this plastic cover from the engine, and as you can see, it's pretty much like giving because of the trail that I went. It's keep hitting on it, and yeah, some plastic cover there has been missing. So that's why I need a skid plate to protect the oil pan and the transmission pan. So yeah, let's remove this one. So it's a 10mm with some clips. So we're gonna unbolt it so we can remove this. So yeah, man, look at this plastic skid plate. Look at the damage I did. So yeah, this all the trails have been going. So yeah, it got ripped. Some bolts are missing, some clips are missing, this one's missing. So yeah, so it's better to install that for sure. It's gonna protect your oil pan and transmission pan. So we're gonna install that now. I'm gonna remove the foam, and yeah, so this is pretty much the hardware they provide. There's some two spacer, washer, bolt and nuts, and some pre-sticker. I don't even know where I'm gonna put this, but yeah. So we're gonna install that, so it's gonna be pretty easy. You only need like 4 to bolt it, and after that you're gonna be done. So yeah, so for this spacer, it's gonna be right over here, right there, and then the other bolt, it's gonna be right over there. So yeah, so I'm gonna go under there and install this. Let me just put this on the side. I'm gonna do this one first, so it's gonna be more easier. Yeah, it's better to have someone to help you out, because I got the shorter one. My mistake. I got the shorter. This is gonna be the long one here. Okay, that's in. Just put some washer on the bolt. just to hold it on. Okay, that is bolted. Then put the next one there. Okay. All right. All right. I don't think I'm gonna remove this plastic stuff here. The protector, just gonna leave it that. Or yeah, I'll probably remove it. Once we're done tightening it, we're gonna install it back. Let me just remove this. Then we're gonna install this back right there. Yeah, just tighten it down, put the wool back, and you're done. Oh! Well, guys, I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to inspire me to do more car modes in the future. So, bam bam bam. Thank you guys. So, peace out, guys.